Hi, I'm Purvi Parekh from Tranceforme. Today I'd like to introduce a series of really uniquely crafted furniture from AndBlack. We are so excited to have them in the store. AndBlack is an Ahmedabad-based company owned by Jwalant and Kanika, and I really respect their abilities to bring form and function together in such a unique way. The series in the store is called the Loop series. As you can see, this swing that I'm sitting on is a complete circle made of birch wood, birch ply, which is put together and then molded into different shapes. So all the shapes are curved and uniquely curved and with a fantastic craftsmanship. So you will see beautiful chairs, benches, tables, all made from birch ply and in curved form, but nowhere is the function compromised to the form. So they are very comfortable to use and sit on, and also they look like, the unique pieces in your home. And this is the loop rocker. As you can see how beautiful its fluid form and contours are, again made from birch ply put together. It's a unique take on a regular rocking chair with a footstool, and because of its comfort, it's the perfect place to relax and rejuvenate. And this is the loop board, again made from birch ply, but just look how unique and perfect it is in design. It looks like a cresting wave, and it's kind of defying gravity because it's cantilevered here at the back, and it's a perfect divider for two spaces in your home, and still works as an art piece that you can sit on and enjoy and talk away for hours. And it's a great experiment in balance, and you can sit on both sides and it doesn't tumble over. Again, you see a beautiful study table made of birch ply, but it's a single piece which has been bent into such a beautiful contour and then balanced only with a metal leg. Perfect for a minimal home, and if you have less space, it can even stand alone because it's so beautiful from both sides. And of course, we have paired it with our own Tranceforme chair, study chair. Gone are the days of the conventional light bulb encased in a lampshade. Here we again have the series of the ray lighting from AndBlack, again made from birch ply. It maintains the loop and the circular form, and there's an interplay of acrylic and birch ply. So you'll see these slices of light coming through the shell itself, and the shells that they use are the, like conventional cylinders or the funnels. They've used those, but they've used them in such an unconventional way and a dramatic way. Here we have the pebble light. So this is actually, you can put it on the floor or you can put it on a table, and it's still so beautiful, like an art form, but it still gives you light. So come to Tranceforme and experience AndBlack and so much more. We have beautiful furniture, beautiful accessories. This is a design haven. So we expect you soon. Bye.